Okay, come on. So we're just leaving Sarria, and we got 2/3 of all pilgrims start from this town. There they go. Wow, it's gotta be 100 kids, man. Okay, good. Let's get behind these guys. Wow. That's her first steps. Boom.
Look at this monster. It's a monster. So we've had 2 or 3 coffee breaks, yeah?
Yeah.
And now we're hitting the trail again. It's a windy, overcast, gloomy day, but hopefully the sun will come out. Baby. Traffic on the trail. It's quite different than before Sarria. See? So how you doing?
Great. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. We only have 1.6 kilometers to go.
That's amazing.
How you liking the Camino so far?
It's fabulous.
Okay, here we go.
Careful.
Going to walk up to our room, and I'm assuming our bag is going to be there already.